In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable snap to canvas edges on the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up GIMP and select the edit button up at the top and then head down and select preferences. Select underneath canvas interaction, select the snapping button, and then underneath default behavior, select where it says snap to grid if you want to enable that or uncheck it if you don't. And you want to do that for both full screen and normal mode and select OK to save. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.